How often have you turned on the irrigation only to see this? Normally, you'd prepare yourself for the long repair battle ahead, but not anymore. No more digging up 10 feet of dirt and rocks in order to bend and wrestle the existing pipe into the new spliced joint. No more fixes involving O-rings, bushings, or special tools. With the Flex to Fix pipe repair fitting, you'll get a fix that's quick, easy to install, and provides a strong, stable, and long-lasting repair. After exposing the break, place the pre-measurement tool printed on the Flex to Fix sleeve between the area to be repaired and mark the pipe. Make your cuts to the marks and remove the broken section. Wipe clean, dry, and prepare both pipe ends and both Flex to Fix couplings with PVC primer. Dry test the placement of the Flex to Fix depending on the location. The Flex to Fix can be installed in any direction, up or down, or side to side. Add PVC glue to all 4 joint areas. Flex to Fix is made entirely of Schedule 40 parts and will last for as long as your original pipe system. There are no O-rings, bushings, or extra parts to get old and wear out. Now comes the easy part. Flex inward on the Flex to Fix and place into the trimmed area. Release the flex and slightly rotate while applying outward pressure to ensure full insertion and proper glue adhesion. That's it, you're done. Allow the glue joints to dry for the recommended time before adding water pressure. Flex to Fix is available in 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch standard PVC irrigation pipe sizes. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy your quality repair and get back to great irrigation.